Sweet and sour fakeaway with me, Miss Raz. Okay, so I've broken this down into 3 sections to make it easier. The first section is stir fry. Obviously pause if you want to see what the ingredients are. The second section is the sauce. So the third section is the protein. If you want to make it plain, like sweet and sour chicken, then don't include the egg and the cornflour. Wash your hands and clean your surface, and here is the prep for the stir fry. So you'll need 400 grams of pineapple, 2 peppers, 1 onion, 1 chilli, which is optional, 2 cloves of garlic, and oil to fry. For the preparation, what I'm going to do is I'm going to top and tail the onion using my claw method and then peel the first layer of skin off. I am then going to use the bridge method to cut the onion in half, and then I'm going to make some nice chunks, so I'm going to dice the onion. Okay, for my pepper, I'm pushing in the stem, then I'm going to use a spoon to get rid of the pith and the pips. I'll put that in the bin, then I will slice my pepper in half, and then I will dice it about the same size as the onions so it cooks evenly. I'll do that for both my peppers. Just remember, this is quite a lot of food. This will easily feed a family of 5, possibly 6. With my chilli, I'm just finely slicing it. I haven't got rid of the pips because I like it spicy. My garlic, I'm going to top and tail. And method number 1, I will crush it with my knife and then dice it really finely. Method number 2, I'm going to chop it into chunks and put it through the garlic crusher. Totally up to you how you do this. For the sauce prep, what you will need is 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of any white vinegar, juice from the pineapple, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and you'll need half a teaspoon of cornflour to thicken that sauce when you're cooking. I'm going to add it all together and then whisk it so it's nice and smooth. Okay, so for your protein prep, you're going to need chicken breast or thighs, or a pork loin, jumbo prawns, or some firm tofu, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, egg whisked, and 100 grams of cornflour. You can use cooked meat and you don't need to chop it up, but if you are chopping up meat, you need to make sure that you chop it evenly so that it cooks at an even pace and you don't have raw chicken. You need to make sure you wash your surface and your hands with hot soapy water once you've handled raw meat. So I'm going to add my salt, my oil, and my egg, and then my cornflour if I'm coating. If not, you can just use plain chicken or plain meat on its own. I need to mix it really well, and that is my batter. Make sure you wash your hands again, and let's cook. I'm going to shallow fry these so it's not covering the chicken, it's just lightly frying on either side. I'm also going to drain it once it's been cooked, so I'm going about 3 minutes on either side of the chicken here so it's nice and brown. Obviously you do the same with any other meat. So discard your oil safely, and then on a medium to high heat you're going to stir fry your vegetables, not your pineapple. You add your pineapple at the end. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, then you're going to add your protein and you are going to stir that well and cook for another minute or so before you add your sauce. Once you add your sauce, you want to stir it and fry it for another 5 to 10 minutes depending on how saturated you want your Hong Kong style chicken to be. But this is your Hong Kong style chicken. Great fakeaway. Enjoy.